in digital marketing, SEO, that is marketing too, and social media marketing. So these are the courses that I'm taking. So again, it's White Tech, and thank you for choosing this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys this website which is going to help you to learn digital marketing for free. Yes, I mean it, for free. And with this website, I'm going to show you, you are not going to pay anything. The good news about this is that you are going to be given a certificate, and the certificate that they are going to give you is a certified certificate, and you're not going to pay anything. So also, all what you need is just to get your smartphone and you're good to go. Okay, so digital marketing training. So digital marketing course. So this is the platform. You see, get certified in digital marketing. So at the end of this course, you are going to be satisfied in digital marketing, and then free certification courses. So there are a lot of free certification courses that you can also take from this platform apart from the digital marketing platform. Now the platform is HubSpot Academy. So with the HubSpot Academy, you can learn digital marketing, SEO, line skills on this platform, and you are not going to pay anything. So who is for this? So marketing, looking for skills. So if you are someone who is into marketing manager and you're looking for skills, you can come here and learn. Content marketers looking to broaden their skills, so you just come here and learn, read a lot of things. We have a lot of courses here that you cannot undertake. Okay, so because in this year 2023, digital marketing is one of the skills that you need to acquire if you are someone that works on the internet there. So we have course curriculum. So these are the things that you need, you are going to learn. So digital marketing foundation, and this is courses for 30 minutes and 3 videos that you are going to use in this course. Building content creation framework. So there are a lot of courses here. So when you scroll down, there are a lot of courses that you able to get, and then you have how to find SEO strategy that fits your company. Also this year, so you just take this course and then you move on. As you move on, there are a lot of courses that you can see from this platform, and most of these courses are free. How to create a successful video marketing strategy here, and then you move on. Most when you scroll down, you see that this platform has a lot of things to offer. So content marketing here is here. Okay, so this is a certification course which is 12 lesson, which is 7 hours, and then you'll be writing your exams too. Don't have social media marketing here. You can also take this course and you'll be given a certificate. You have digital advertising here, and 3 hours, and then you'll be also given a certificate. Then you have email marketing, and this time also you're also going to given a certificate. So digital marketing certification course, introduction video. So you just go on, create your account here, just take your time, go through the lectures, go through the videos, learn, and at the end of the day just write your exams and you're good to go. So this is the platform that can help you to learn digital marketing and other things for free. See you in the next video.